Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew. Very excited to work on some more problems with you. So please make sure you have your math packet out, the one that your teacher gave you. And so yesterday you were working on this problem. This was the Monday Now You Try It problem, where there were 4 black penguins and 2 blue penguins. So you should have had 4 cubes here. Right? Even though they're not black, they can represent black penguins. And then you have 2 blue penguins over here. And then they all come together up here, right? So here you should have written you had 4, here you had 2, and then when you add these up, 4 and 2 makes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you would have 6 here, 4 here, and 2 here, and then your equation would be that 6 is the same as 4 plus 2, right? 6 equals 4 plus 2. Okay, so let's turn to, actually don't turn yet. Just watch me for a minute. I'm gonna, actually turn to the page that says Tuesday. It says Tuesday, follow along with Mr. McAndrew, okay? And then let's look up here at the video. I'm going to show you. So we're back at my favorite math app. Let me move my head out of the way. So let's read the problem together. I have it up here. Okay, it says that there were 2 yellow butterflies flew onto a field. All right, 2 yellow butterflies. So let's make us some butterflies. We've got butterflies and we want yellow. And I see that there are 5 green butterflies. So I'm going to select green and butterflies again. And then, so I've got that ready to go. So it says 2 butterflies flew onto a field. All right, so we'll put the 2 butterflies here. You know what? I'll even kind of make it cool. We'll like draw some, oh wait, hold on. We'll draw some grass here to make it look like a field. Okay, it doesn't really look like a field, but you get the idea. And we'll put some more grass over here to make that look like a field. All right, so we've got 2 butterflies, 2 yellow butterflies on a field, okay? And then it says, because remember, when we read a word problem, we want to visualize it. And sometimes drawing a picture or using a math app like this helps us to do that, okay? So then we have 5 green butterflies flew onto a different field. Okay, well I have a different field over here. I'm going to grab right here, you see where it says 5? If I grab this, it'll make 5. Whoop! So there are 5 butterflies flying around this field. Woo. Okay. So then it says, then they came together. Alright, so let's put them together up here. So whoop, they flew up here. Flew up here. We're all hanging out. Ooh, what's up, butterfly? How you doing? You so fly. Okay, so they're all kind of hanging out, and it says, how many total butterflies are there? All right, so we know that to begin with, there were 2 butterflies here, right? And over here, there were 5 green butterflies. And then they came together. So we put them together. So this is one part, this is another part, and here's our whole. Call this the whole because now they're coming. So if you think of addition as like 2 parts and they come together to make one new total, one new whole, we can call it, okay? So there are the butterflies. So how many butterflies are there now? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 butterflies. So 2 and 5 make 7. So we could write, here, I'll just do this in black. We could say that 2, right, our equation would be 2 plus 5 equals, I want that right. Let's try that again. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay? All right, so let's go to your paper, all right, which should look like this. Right, it's the same problem. Right, so we had 2 yellow butterflies, which right now look green, and we had 5. Let's put the green over here because that's green butterflies. So we have 5 green butterflies. All right, we had 2 yellow, which right now are going to be orange. Okay. Oops, my face is in the way. Move your face, Mr. McAndrew, please. All right. So we have 2 butterflies. Okay. And then here we have 5 butterflies. So we're going to move them together up here. So right here we have 2. And then these are going to come up here. They're going to mingle together. And here we had 5. And now all together, right, so the 2 and the 5 came together. And now we have, so let's say we have 2 and 5 makes 7. Okay? 5, 6, 7. So up here we would write 7. So please write that down. Your 2, your 5, and your 7 if you haven't already done that. And I'm modeling for you how you're going to do the next problem. Okay, so our number sentence will be that 7 is the same as 2 plus 5. Okay, so pause the video if you need to right now and write that down. All right, so when you come back, you should turn to this page where it says, now you try it. Okay, so it's going to be a very similar problem. You're going to use your connecting cubes. Okay, and I'll read it to you. It says, 5 yellow butterflies flew onto a field. Okay, here's a field right here. Okay, and boys and girls, right now it says, on my paper it says penguins, but I'll change that, so don't worry about that. In fact, I'll just cross it off right now. So this will say yellow butterflies. Okay, so we'll put those there. And over here we'll have our green butterflies. Your paper will definitely say it correctly. And so then it says 3 green butterflies flew onto a different field. Then they came together. How many total butterflies are there? So you want to put your yellow butterflies here with your connecting cubes. And maybe use, if you have a green, that's great, or a yellow. And then you put connecting cubes for your yellow butterflies, and then they all come together up here. And so then you should have a number in this box, a number in this box, and then the total in this box, and then you want to write your equation the same way that I just did it. Okay? All right, oh, and this will say, that should not say total penguins. It should say total butterflies. Silly, Mr. McAndrew, I'll fix that. All right, boys and girls, have fun with this, okay? And hey, you know what? You can play around with this as much as you want. You could have as many different butterflies as you'd like and see what it adds up to, okay? All right, great job. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.